Hey, so in this video we are going to start building the humans really this time. So we start by doing the human skin, and then we kind of add a method to our mesh pool generation because we need to we have multiple texture on the same we have multiple sprites on the same texture, so we need to use UV to know which one to use, because we use this for the character direction, right? If they are looking north, south, east or west. So yeah, we do that. And we also handle the direction and the callback in the movement class. Yeah, so that's basically all. And then we set some cool stuff like all humans have different hairs, skin colors, eyes. So yeah, so we need to optimize a lot of what I'm doing in this video, but it's working, and that's already progress. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye bye. Hey, so last time we did a really short video and improved the chickens, right? Yeah. So what we're gonna do now is pop some humans. So basically in my system I have let's do a struct, right? Human skin data or something like this, and this needs to be serializable. Yeah. And basically we want int eyes ID, body ID, and maybe we want, what do we want? Hair color ID. Yeah. What else? Body color ID. Yeah, that's all. And so we are going to do a constructor for this. So if we don't randomize, we sell all of this to, okay. But if we do randomize, what is the fuck is it? What's your problem? Oh yeah. We need a list of the eyes, of the body, of the hairs, of the color ID. Yeah. We do need this, so but do we need a description for this? That's what I'm wondering. Let's do the color, because we already have the struct to save the color, so it's in palettes, right? And let's add some palettes, right? So yeah. Yeah. So I have something somewhere for this. So let's check my old code. I think it's in data. Yeah. No, it's not. In definition, then, yeah. Fuck me. How does this work in my old code? Where do I get the color from? Oh yeah, it's just It's just a dictionary. Right. But oh yeah, it's a color set, so yeah. And color set is an asset file. Oh yeah. So I need to redo this. So let's make def.add color palette. Do we want to name it color palette or just a color palette? I think we just want a color palette, right, for now. And we kind of want to add a lot of color on this, but yeah, so we want something like this, and we want something like this. And for the colors, yeah. I'm gonna... Let's add just two, so let's do something reddish for the body. For the hair, let's do something like... let's do some, I don't know, gray hair, right? Maybe something... yeah, let's do this, right? Let's just do this, right? But I will set this later, just to see if it's working. And for the body, let's do, yeah, let's say everyone is orange, right? Why not? Yeah. So we have human hair and human body now. So in human, here we can do this.hairColorID equals, let's see, color palette, actually, yeah. So let's do public color, public int, get random ID, right? And we'll just return this, right? Because this way we can just get an ID random in the color list. And so I don't want a capacity here, I don't know why there is one. Yeah. So we can just do defs definitions dot... No, that's not it. Yeah. And here we can do def.color palettes, human hair dot get random ID, right? And we can do the same shit for the body, except it's not human hair, it's human body. So we need to see set the eyes and the body, and for now I just don't want a database, so I'm gonna do something shitty, and in settings, maybe I'm gonna do so yeah, and I'm gonna do this.isId equal random.range 0 settings dot eyes count. And maybe later we have a database with all the eyes and the shit we need, but for now, oh, we already have this, so yeah. So here we are gonna have human skin data. Call this skin data. Let's do get protected set, right? And let's do this that skin data equal new human skin data true, right? Let's also do a constructor. Right. We also need some graphic instances. So we need visuals. So we need a graphic instance, graphics instance, right? So we need the body, obviously. We need, what do we need? Hair. Right, and head. Right. Basically we need to set all this up, right? After randomize, actually. Right. Yeah. Maybe we don't need the body. Maybe we say we have only one body, because it will be true for the start. So we can use okay. So we also need a reference to your human, right? And here we want the human, right? And the body graphics, I'm gonna do something. Something like this, right? So we use the base graphics in base character for this, for the body, and hair and head are just some supplementary stuff. But all of this will be handled by the same class, which is make the most sense for me. But yeah. So how does the graphic instance work, right? I don't remember actually. Let's check tailable, right? Yeah, so we need the definition. Yeah, so let's okay. So we need the color, right? So the color is it's depth.color palettes.human body, and this is gonna be dot colors, this dot skin data dot human body color ID, right? So that's the color, right? So for the texture, we want res dot, yeah, we need utils too then. Helpers actually. As a texture, how did I name this in Unity? Okay, body 1, yeah. Oh, but yeah. Maybe I should use sprite for this. Well, let's do this like this for now. Let's. Yeah, but that's still this is annoying, right? Yeah. But I don't sure I want a sprite on the characters, so. But for now, let's do. And how do I handle the multiple? Because I have only. Oh yeah. Okay. Sure. But let's do this. And after that, that's a layer, so I guess we need this to be on 0, and mesh pool dot get plain mesh. Right. And we need the size here, so for now let's do public vector to yeah, because this is a okay. I'm gonna do something shitty for now, but let's say 1 and 1.5 left, right? For now. Yeah, let's do something like this, right? So what's the problem here? Yeah, that's not how this works. It's graphic instance that get new. Oh, but we need a def for this, right? Yeah. Yeah. Can we do this without a def? Not really. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. I'm not sure I want some graphics def for everything, but maybe I do, but this will fix the problem for this, right? But yeah, let's do an empty graphic def, right? To avoid this for now. Yeah. So what's your problem now? Body ID must be assigned, yeah. Oh, sorry. Let's do this for now. Oh yeah, we need the protected set here. Yeah, but this should work, but I don't need to do this. What? Why is this in fuck me. Yeah, I know why. So we yeah, I don't like this, but fine. No, still not. Why is it doing this? So let's do the other one. But so we need the air graphics, right? And the air graphics is just the same shit, except it's human air and air color ID and air plus air ID. No. Oh, I don't have air ID. Yeah. Let's see. I just want this to work, right? But we'll change this later. Okay, I'm gonna remove the plus one also. And we need the head. So the head is it's a human body color, right? It makes sense. And head plus yeah. Okay, we also need the eyes, right? Yeah. So maybe we want something. The eyes color is supposed to be right? So yeah. Yeah. And for the size, everything is fucked up right now. No, everything should be at the same size. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so now we need to do the priority. And for now this is annoying me, so I'm gonna just do this, right? But we'll change this later. What is this? Yeah, that makes sense. So we want to do the priority. So the body is yeah. Then we have the head, right? Then we have the eyes. Then we have the ear. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Let's draw a drawing order, right? Yeah. Yeah. So this should work, except this is the eyes, and this is good. Yeah, so this should work, except we don't draw this anywhere. Do we have a draw function? Yeah. Yeah. So we need to override this, right? So let's make a draw here, and or update draw actually, and here let's override yeah, and let's do this that So this should work. And here we need to do we need to call graphics.drawMesh, right? Yeah. So we have two possibilities, right, for the well, let's do this first. Yeah, this is not so here is that let's do in the same order. Body graph dot mesh. Add eyes out. And this is good, except this is like this. Yeah. But right now, because of my old system, which is a multiple sprite, we do have multiple texture in the same. So what we could do is use the UVs, right, to draw the correct one. Yeah. So it's not hard because it's just divided by 3. Yeah, we could use the UV, yeah. Actually, I think I'm going to do this. So, can we do this with plane mesh? I don't think so. Yeah, we can. But I'm gonna do another function. Yeah. So basically here, we have direction, right? And so can I really use the direction? So this will be exactly the same, right? But here, depending on the direction, we change this, right? So and so for north, let's use direction, right? Yeah. So if direction, that's right. Let's do all of them. And so we want to do this, right? And the only difference between west and east is we flip the UVs. So let's copy this everywhere. Well, let's not copy this everywhere, but right. And I'm gonna make right. So Yeah, so for the direction south, let's check the eyes. Yeah, so for the direction south, it's the first one. So it's 0, 0, 0, UI. Yeah, that's good for the south. And for the north, it's the same shit, but we just multiply this by 2, right? I guess. And for the last one, yeah, that's correct, yeah. For the last one, we, wait, 0 and UI, yeah. So except it's not 0 anymore here, it's UI, yeah. And no, not here, sorry, yeah, here. And for this one, it's multiplied, well, actually it's 1, right? Yeah. And here it's UI multiplied by 2f instead of 0. And the only shit we do, so we are looking to the west, so this one is good, and this one we just need to flip x, so yeah, I think this should work. What did I do here? South. Yeah. Okay, let's do some cache for this, exactly what we did for this, right? Let's go human planes. Right, and let's copy this. Get human plane mesh direction. And do project, yeah. Right, and this is a shitty hash. I need to fix this, but for now, okay. And yeah, here instead of doing this, we do this. Yeah. And this dot human dot movement dot looking at. All right. And we kind of need update looking at, and basically we do all this, right? That's kind of ugly, but I just want something with working right now. Yeah. Yeah, and maybe we want to set a callback for this in human movement. Oh, we already have this, right? So, how did I make this work in my last... I don't remember actually. AI, character movement. Yeah, so I have just made a callback. So let's do the same shit here. Let's add the public action direction on change direction, right? Fuck you. Yeah, and we need to do this actually. So we need to check the yeah, maybe for now let's do something like this, right? And so we are going to do original minus this dot position, right? This is not going to work. I mean, this the next position minus this dot position, right? So we subtract the next position and the current position, right? And after that, we just do if this is superior to 0, right? This means we are looking at the est, right? And you can do this in the order you want, right? If you want to privilege it, south and north first, you test for this first, right? So if it's superior to 0, that means we are looking at west. Why do I call it? Because in my ancient color it's called D, but yeah. And yeah. So if all of this is false, we're looking at the north. And if we don't know, basically, if all of this is, we're looking at south. So that's our default position, right? And what we do here, this that looking at different original, and this that on change direction different the null, right? This dot on change direction, this dot looking at, right? So, and this need, yeah, this is, yeah. Do we call this? Yeah, we update this here. So yeah, that's good. So now we can do. We can do, what do we can do? Oh yeah, here we can do this dot movement dot on direction plus equal this dot human skin dot update looking at. Oh, and we need a direction actually. Yeah, and yeah, so instead of doing this here, we can just do this, right? This is never going to work, right? I don't know. Let's test this shit. Yeah, this is never going to work. I did too much stuff without testing. Anyway, I'm curious. Yeah, let's do this. Sure. Let's comment the animals for now. Yeah. And let's do human. Yeah. So let's check this. An error, that's amazing. Parameter k can be null. Where? I think this is the graphics default, right? In graphic instance len 68, but this was called by pass character len 36, right? Yeah. Yeah, but dev.graphics should be new. Oh, yeah. But it's not actually. Oh, fuck. Because the problem here, if I go in animal devs, right, we do have a graphic dev, and if I go in the loader, I guess we can set this to null, but if we do that, we'll have another error here. So what I could do is do something like this, right? But that's bad too. Yeah. Fine. Let's where is this shit? What is the default for the texture name? We don't have one. That's fine. So I guess what we can do is in bass character. I need to clean this shit. Yeah, so in bass character we should do but that's yeah, fine. Okay. Is this the same error? Yeah. In sexy I fine, let's check graphic instance. So maybe that's not the problem I was thinking of. Because these are what the yeah, these are all set to sprite, right? That's bad. That's the default, right? Let's do, what's the size of this? Yeah. Let's print the... But this should not be call, right? Wait. How is this possible? Okay. So this is a new error, so that's good. Um, that was weird. Sure. Okay, so this is, now we can find this. So instead of doing this, I'm gonna do, right? What did I do? I just want to see the idea, right? So body 0 at 0 at 0, and they have this weird space somehow. Oh yeah, I do have a weird space. Yeah, that's my bad. Okay, I had a character. So yeah, still an error. And the layers are all fucked up, but... Okay, so I need to remove this debug because now it's annoying me. So yeah. Oh yeah, I did not remove the +1 here. So yeah, I guess that's why. Okay. Yeah, this is better, right? But still, they ignore the direction. And they don't have eyes, which is funny. So why are they ignoring the direction? Because this should work. Yeah. Yeah, this should work. I should, yeah, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna pass the next position here instead of using this one. That means here. Yeah. Yeah, but this is not going to fix anything. But fuck me. Yeah. Yeah. So what is fucked here? Maybe it's just my mesh with fucked, right? Texture has drawn from the bottom. Oh fuck me, I'm so stupid. Yeah. Yeah. So this is going here. This is going here. I guess. Maybe I inverted something, I don't really care right now. Yeah, this is going here. Alright. Yeah. I hate this. Fuck! What a shitty bug. Oh, that's my bad, but sorry about this. So now this should work. Yeah. Okay. So now the bug we have is yeah, let's remove this. We have some. Yeah. So the air is everything is upside down, right? So I guess that's we invert this, right? So let's do 5 to let have some margin, right? For the clouds. Yeah, 5, 3, 4, 3, 2. And actually, here, I'm gonna do, yeah, because I'm tired of having two stuff like this is bad, so let's do this, that, and that here. Yeah. So they always start looking south, right? Why is this not working? Why are they still fuck up like this? Well, we could just change this, right? But we can just do this, right? But it's not a solution because this is supposed to use the layer, right? Or maybe not. Yeah, because what did I do just now? We should draw the Earth last, right? Yeah. Wait, why is this not changing anything? So this is a good draw order, but we don't use this, right? Yeah. So why is it not working? Oh, cause I know why. I think I know why. Yeah, cause here instead of doing this, we need to do this is shitty. Yeah, this is really shitty. And now everything is inverted, so let's test this quickly. Yeah, because we don't have the layer, right? Yeah, this is working now, but we need to add the layer and you know. How do I did that for animal? Yeah. But okay. Oh yeah. Okay. And we are not moving anymore. Is this because we are in a small tree, maybe? Yeah. Yeah, so now it's working. Okay. We need to optimize a lot of stuff, right? Because we did a lot of shitty shit, but lot of shitty shit, yeah. So I'm gonna add some colors quickly, and yeah. So, okay. And I guess we could randomize the air. But we need a better... Right, and for the colors, let's open GIMP. Yeah, so for the airs, let's do some fun colors. Palettes, yeah. Now for the skin, let's do something like... Okay. 87, 75, 63. Okay, good enough for now. I will use a bit of color later, but. Yay! Why is everyone white? Okay, I was unlucky. Yeah, so that's fine. Sure. So we have some characters now, and now we need to give them clothes and make them do some stuff. But if we add back the chicken, right? Yeah. This should be better, right? There is life now. Yeah. So the chicken are too big or the humans are too small, right? So let's change this. Let's do inhumans, and I need to clean this obviously, but let's do 2, and so it's what, 1.5, so 2, 3, right? And now the tree will be too small, I think. Yeah. Yeah, we are fat. So that's too big. Then let's do 1.5. And what was the initial ratio? I don't remember. It was 1 and 2, 1 and 1.5. I don't remember actually. Yeah. Yeah, but there should be one. That should be one. Yeah. Because yeah, we have 128 pixel per unit, so yeah, this should be 1 and 1.5. So maybe we make smaller chicken, or maybe we don't care because it's a game, right? Yeah, we could make some the chicken smaller, right? It's not that hard. Where is this shit? Animal, yeah. This, yeah. So yeah, it's easy to make the chicken smaller if we want, right? We can just do here. We can just do size equal new vector 2 .7, right? And obviously the chicken will grow too, so not every chicken will be huge at the start. That's the final size, right? I did work something, so yeah. Yeah, so that's better, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna leave this here, but now we have humans, which is really good. And maybe later we want to do the clothing or start building, right? Because I would really like to start building. But yeah, the game is working fine. So yeah, I guess that's cool, right? Still good at FPS, even if we have a lot of shit to optimize, right? And yeah. And maybe we should draw some stuff instantiated also, but... And we can play with the Z position, so they are always behind the trees and stuff like this, but this is really not a priority right now. So yeah, even with really shitty zoom, we have a good FPS, so that's good. Obviously, yeah. But we save a lot by batching, right? Like, yeah. Because don't forget, everything is growing here, the plants, even the chicken, but yeah, they will die at some point. So I think we did this right. So yeah, so maybe next time we start the building and we start by reworking the inventory. Maybe we do the stockpile, or maybe we just build the walls, or maybe something like growing or mining. I don't know yet, but well. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want me to spend more time making the game, please consider well, giving me some money on Patreon if you can. And if not, please just like the video. Yeah, but I'm happy. Yeah, everything is working. That was not hard, but yeah, I needed to make a new system with the UVs because we don't use sprite anymore. In my last game, I did use sprite for the character for simplicity, but now I think it's good that we use the same system for all the graphics, right? So yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye bye.